I'm Jess, and if you're new to my channel, then welcome, and if you're not, then welcome back. So today in this video, I'll be doing a post review on a diamond painting I completed from the website Paint Plot Diamonds. Disclaimer first, you may or may not hear some noise in the background sometime during the video, like cars and such. I live next to a freeway off-ramp, so if you do, I'm apologizing in advance. So here's the painting. Let me flip it over. The one I purchased and completed is called California Pier. I did an unboxing of it. I'll link it down below if you're interested. It turned out really shiny, I will say that. So, gosh, the cars are so loud in the background. I'm so sorry. This is a size 16 by 20 inch or 40 by 50 centimeter. It's a linen canvas with poured glue adhesive. It's a full square drill, and it has a total of 24 colors, I believe. Yes, no ABs. So what surprised me was a couple things. First thing, even though this is a poured glue canvas, well, it's got a little strayaways right here, the adhesive was not sticky, like barely. I mean, at first I thought I had like too sticky of a wax in my pen, but no, I ended up figuring out it was the adhesive on the canvas. So that was disappointing. It was really hard to keep the beads, like some of them popped off. A lot of them are still popping off. So the adhesive was barely even strong for poured glue. I was really surprised. And the beads, I don't know if it was just me, but they seemed smaller than normal square drills that I'm used to. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I chose this. This is called, I don't know if I said it, California Pier. This was for my boyfriend for his birthday, because he was born in Oceanside, California, and that's where one out of only like a few piers are in San Diego County. So I got this for him. But yeah, but besides that, I mean, it was okay. To be honest, I'm probably never gonna buy from there again. The price, oh, and this came with a frame. It's I don't know if it's in the unboxing or not, but it's like a timberwood frame, which was pretty cool that it came with one. I mean, if you chose to get one, you can get it without the frame too, but I got it. Maybe one day I can do a video where I do that. But anyways, so this was priced at $39 with the frame. Without it, I believe it's $27 on the website, and it is in stock. I checked before I filmed the video. The total purchase though, with the frame and everything, taxes, shipping, all that, was $43.78. I ordered this December 31st, 2020, received it February 1st, 2021, so about a month, a little over. But yeah, that's about it. Another thing I don't like is they don't have licensed artists. I'm hoping and assuming that all the images they use are public domain. I got some stuff right here. So yeah, I mean, it's a good price, especially for a poured glue canvas, but I'm just used to a little bit better quality, but that's just my opinion. So anyways, if you're still interested, I will link this painting down in the description below, along with the unboxing, in case you want to see that as well. So yeah, that's my post review. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to anyone and everyone who watched, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!